Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hey there, amazing creators and happy Kiddo TV fans. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important for getting your fantastic videos seen. That something is YouTube thumbnails. Think of your thumbnail as the sparkly cover of a super fun book. It's the first thing people see, and it decides whether they'll click play on your awesome content. So, let's unlock the secrets to creating thumbnails that get you more views. Step 1 is understanding the basics and brainstorming your hook. First things first, let's talk tech. YouTube has a few rules for your thumbnails. You'll want to aim for a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, that's nice and clear. Keep the shape at a 16:9 ratio, that's the standard widescreen format. And make sure your file is a JPG or PNG, and under 2 megabytes in size. Easy, no? Now for the fun part, and this is figuring out your video's hook. What's the one thing that makes your video super interesting? Is it a surprise? A funny moment? Step 3 is to design your thumbnail using a design tool. Alright, now let's get designing. My favorite tool is Canva. It's super easy to use, even if you're not a design whiz. But there are lots of great options out there, like Adobe Express too. Start with that 1280 by 720 canvas. Now, place your main visual. Think about the rule of thirds. Putting your key elements off-center can make your thumbnail more interesting. Think about who you're making your video for. For example, for a kids channel, we want bright colors, friendly faces, and visuals that spark curiosity. And remember, while you want people to click, make sure your thumbnail actually shows what's in your video. Nobody likes a misleading cover. Step 2 is to choose your visual foundation. Next up, your main image. This is the foundation of your thumbnail. You've got a few awesome options. A great still frame straight from your video is often the best. Pick a moment that's clear and really captures the essence. If you have a star character, a special, high-quality image of them can be perfect. Need something extra? Websites like Pexels, Unsplash, and Pixabay have tons of free photos. Just make sure they fit your video's vibe. And if you need something more graphic, check out Vecteezy or Freepik. Sometimes, a simple, clean background with your main subject or text really pops. Think bright colors or gentle gradients. Step 3 is to design your thumbnail using a design tool. Alright, now let's get designing. My favorite tool is Canva. It's super easy to use, even if you're not a design whiz. But there are lots of great options out there, like Adobe Express too. Start with that 1280 by 720 canvas. Now, place your main visual. Think about the rule of thirds. Putting your key elements off-center can make your thumbnail more interesting. Remember that YouTube puts the video length in the bottom right, so try not to cover anything important there. Let your emotions shine. If your video is exciting, show excitement. If it's cute, emphasize the adorableness. Bright, happy colors work wonders for kids' content. And don't forget contrast. Make sure your main subject stands out from the background. Light on dark, dark on light, you got this. If you have brand colors for happy Kiddo TV, try to weave them into your thumbnails for a consistent look. Step 4: add compelling text, if needed. Sometimes, a few powerful words can make all the difference. But remember, less is often more. Aim for 3 to 5 words at most. People are scrolling quickly. Use big, bold fonts that are super easy to read, even on tiny phone screens. Contrast is key again. Give your text a strong outline or a drop shadow so it pops against your image. Choose fonts that fit the tone of your video. For happy kiddo TV, friendly and playful fonts are perfect. Think strategically about where you place your text so it doesn't cover anything important. Step 5, Final polish and review. Almost there. Before you hit save, let's do a quick checkup. Definitely take a peek at your thumbnail on your phone. That's where most people will see it first. Try the squint test. If you squint, does the main idea still jump out at you? If it's a blurry mess, simplify. A little boost in brightness or color can make your thumbnail pop, but don't go overboard. And finally, does your thumbnail look different from other videos on similar topics? You want to stand out. Here's a super helpful tip. Once you find a thumbnail style you love, save it as a template. This will save you tons of time and keep your channel looking consistent. And there you have it. Your ultimate guide to creating amazing YouTube thumbnails. Remember, a fantastic thumbnail can make a huge difference in your views. So get creative, have fun, and start designing those click-worthy covers. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what your biggest thumbnail struggles are. Until next time, keep creating awesome videos. Bye for now.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.